source for creating beautiful and functional living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Are you ready to elevate your backyard from basic to brilliant? Imagine stepping out of your home and into a luxury resort, complete with a gourmet kitchen and a stylish bar, all without ever leaving your property. Today, we're diving deep into the trend that's redefining home entertaining, the covered outdoor kitchen bar. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the inspiration and know how to build the ultimate backyard paradise. So, what exactly is a covered outdoor kitchen bar? Simply put, it's a dedicated, weatherproof area in your backyard or patio designed for cooking, mixing drinks, dining, and socializing, all under a protective structure. Unlike a simple grill station, an outdoor kitchen bar is a fully functional extension of your home's interior living space. The kitchen component typically features built-in grills, counter space, refrigeration, and storage. While the bar includes a countertop overhang, seating like stools, and often a dedicated sink or beverage center, the covered aspect, whether it's a pergola, a full roof extension, or a pavilion, is what makes it a truly usable four-season entertainment zone. Protecting your investment and your guests from sun, rain, and debris, it transforms your yard into a year-round hub for parties, family meals, or simply relaxing with a cold drink. The benefits of investing in a covered outdoor kitchen bar are numerous. Firstly, it offers unparalleled entertainment potential. Hosting parties becomes effortless when you can prep, cook, and serve all in one beautiful open-air space, keeping the mess and heat out of your main house. Secondly, it provides weather protection and longevity for your high-end appliances and materials, significantly extending their lifespan and making them accessible in virtually any weather. No more canceling a BBQ because of a sudden shower. Thirdly, and perhaps most importantly from a design perspective, a well-executed outdoor kitchen bar offers a substantial return on investment, boosting your home's appeal and value. Potential buyers see it as a luxury amenity, and for you, it instantly expands your functional living area, turning unused yard space into a coveted room. It truly merges the joy of the outdoors with the comforts of indoor living. Decorating your covered outdoor kitchen bar is where you get to truly infuse your personal style. Start with creating distinct zones. Use an outdoor rug under the lounge or dining area to ground the space and add color, like the beautiful geometric pattern. Next, focus on layered lighting. You'll need task lighting over the prep and grill areas, but add ambient touches like string lights, pendant fixtures over the bar, or wall sconces to create warmth and drama in the evenings. The bar area itself is a prime spot for decorative accents. Think unique bar stools that complement your overall design, or high-quality servingware and cocktail tools. Finally, incorporate natural elements with potted plants, fresh herbs, or a small water feature to blend the structure seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. Choose durable, weather-resistant fabrics and materials for cushions and pillows to ensure they remain beautiful season after season. Making your space look cohesive and inviting, the heart of a great outdoor kitchen bar is its components. Start with the centerpiece, a high-performance built-in grill. Look for stainless steel models with side burners and rotisserie options for maximum versatility. Next, you must include refrigeration. An outdoor-rated beverage fridge is essential for keeping drinks and perishable ingredients cold and handy. For the bar setup, look for comfortable, durable bar stools that can handle the elements, typically made from materials like wicker, marine-grade, polymer, or powder-coated aluminum. If space allows, integrating a built-in ice maker, a kegerator, or a pizza oven takes your entertaining game to the next level. And remember, the structure itself is an item. Consider features like a ceiling fan for circulation, or an outdoor fireplace or fire pit to add heat, ambience, and a cozy focal point, extending the usability even further into the cooler months. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, hear these, the compilation of the top 10 best covered outdoor kitchen bar ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Rustic pavilion with stone fireplace focal point. This charming design blends rustic warmth with modern functionality. The centerpiece is a stunning stone fireplace and chimney, perfectly paired with natural wood beams for the pavilion roof. The kitchen features a compact bar with counter seating, a built-in grill, and ample prep space, all resting on a lovely stone-paved patio and surrounded by mature, lush trees that offer a sense of privacy and tranquility. 2. Sleek tropical oasis with pizza oven and dark decking. A contemporary and highly functional space, set against a vibrant tropical backdrop. This design features a large, uninterrupted dark countertop for both cooking and bar seating, equipped with a professional-grade grill, a stainless steel sink, and a dedicated pizza oven. The dark-stained wooden deck and clean white base cabinetry contrast beautifully with the surrounding palm foliage, creating a luxurious resort atmosphere. 3. Modern sunset bar with integrated ambient lighting. This elegant evening setup features a striking modern aesthetic with a low, sheltering roof. The bar is defined by a beautiful stone facade illuminated by integrated LED strip lighting, casting a warm glow. The kitchen area boasts a built-in grill and stainless steel cabinetry, set against a stunning stacked stone backs. An adjacent tiered seating area with a cozy couch completes this sophisticated outdoor entertaining space. 4. Opulent marble island kitchen with golf course view. Pure luxury is on display in this bright, expansive design. The entire kitchen, from the countertop to the oversized island bar, is finished in a magnificent light-veined marble. High-back metal bar stools provide a sleek contrast. The wide-open structure allows for sweeping views of the lush green landscape, and a mounted drop-down outdoor TV ensures entertainment from every angle, making it perfect for game days. 5. All-season entertainment hub with fireplace and TV. This is the epitome of an outdoor living room. The soaring, exposed wood-beam ceiling covers a fully equipped kitchen bar featuring a stacked stone base and a large built-in grill. Crucially, it includes a comfortable lounge area with a stone-clad fireplace and a mounted television, allowing guests to watch sports or movies while enjoying the bar service and the warmth of the fire. 6. Heavy stone structure with farmhouse industrial pendants. A robust and grand outdoor kitchen, defined by its commanding dry-stacked stone wall structure that houses the bar base and shelving. The dark, sleek countertop contrasts with the rustic stone, while industrial-style black pendant lights hang over the long bar, providing a touch of modern farmhouse style. A separate lounge area with wicker furniture and a fireplace is visible in the background, making it ideal for large gatherings. 7. Classic brick home extension with poolside. Fire pit. This elegant structure is seamlessly integrated with the traditional brick facade of the main house, featuring white stone pillars, a polished wood ceiling, and wrought iron bar stools. The covered area shelters a fully functional bar. The surrounding patio is an entertainer's dream, complete with a stunning fire pit in the foreground and a sparkling pool just beyond, making it the perfect setting for upscale evening parties. 8. Contemporary flat roof design with minimalist appeal. A striking, modern, and minimalist design featuring a flat, dark roof that creates a sleek, cantilevered look. The kitchen is simple yet elegant, with dark countertops, wood cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances. The large open concrete patio provides vast space, emphasizing the clean lines and modern architecture of the structure itself, ideal for a refined, modern home. 9. Architectural wood pavilion with integrated swing seating. A highly unique and playful design centered around a stunning open wood pavilion structure. The long kitchen island or bar features integrated swing seats, creating a fun resort-style vibe. With a large fireplace and grill area to one side, this space masterfully combines elements of a high-end kitchen with a casual, interactive lounge, all nestled beautifully within a green, spacious yard. 10. Cozy corner bar with seamless retractable wall. This stylish, compact design is perfect for smaller spaces or a modern home. It features a sophisticated gray color palette from the large tiled floor to the exterior siding. The standout feature is the large glass wall that retracts, seamlessly connecting the interior to the patio. Woven pendant lights and a small dining set add a cozy, intimate feel to the modern bar area, as you can see from these incredible designs. A covered outdoor kitchen bar is more than just an upgrade. It's a complete lifestyle transformation. Whether your style is rustic stone, sleek, modern marble, or a cozy tropical retreat, the key is planning for function, durability, and beauty. By selecting the right appliances, incorporating layered lighting, and using all-weather materials, you can create a permanent, luxurious escape right in your own backyard, one that you and your family will enjoy for countless seasons to come. Which of these 10 ideas stole your heart? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video gave you serious backyard envy. And subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more luxury home renovation inspiration and decor tips every single week. If you're ready to start planning your build, check out the links in the description for our recommended outdoor appliance brands and design resources. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
you.